This video is a simple reference that'll show you how to play every major and minor chord, excluding sharps and flats. I'll put those in a separate video with a link in the description or in the corner when it's ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm constantly releasing new lessons. Also, don't forget to grab your copy of my free ebook. It's completely free for all my subscribers. Link to that in the corner and down below. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.